Mirurungano ya kumenereria garama ya muturire iria yatongoririo muthe wa Jumatatu ni ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja niwe tumurite ndereti makiria muthe wa ira ruhonge rwa kuramata ukinyaniria rwa Communications Authority rukiendekithia nyumba cia mohoro kwaga kumemerekia maundu mothe maria marahanika mirurungano-ini ino. Kuringana na marua maria matumirwo ceceni ithathatu cia TV ni ruhonge ruru, andiki a mohoro ni magararire watho hindi ya umemerekia wa mirurungano eno kwitukira umemerekia wa ndeto itari njikire mukonde gucogera ngui undu umwe na gucogera rumena na ndugamano.
Mr. Ezra Chiloba, the Executive Director of the Communications Authority of Kenya, CAC, issued an illegal and unconstitutional order censoring the media and threatening sanctions for their truthful reporting of our demonstrations.
Mheshimiwas are thinking they will either instruct lawyers to move to court to challenge that decision about trying to discipline the media, that there are things to be covered and there are not things to be covered.
No ndeto eno ndio eto na uhuthu makiria ni anyitire mia mirurungano eno matongoretio ni Raila Odinga uria ugite ino ni njira ya gucokia Kenya hindi ya wathani wa kuigioterwo.
We agree with Democrats around the globe that the democracy dies in darkness. Mr. Ruto is opening the full dictator's playbook to kill Kenya's democracy.
Person saying the media should not report live what is happening during demonstrations, more particularly when lethal weapons, ammunition and firepower is being used on citizens, is a person saying they should kill Kenyans without being seen.
Ngwataniro ya mawakiri ya LSK nayo ni umiretie na kuregana na Mendekithia maruhonge ruru riu ikiuga wiyathi wa nyumba cia mohoro ni mutaririe wega gatiba-ini ya bururi.
You see, media comes in with digital print, both in terms of text and visual, on what happened. The move to muzzle media houses to me is extremely illegal and extremely unreasonable.
Na makanitha kuhitukira ngwataniro ya makanitha ya NCCK ni marutite murugamo wa mori makiuga hatire bata wa kugiria nyumba cia mohoro kumenyithia Kenya uria kwarathie na mbere. Amwe a Kenya mari na kihoto gia kumenya.
The orders that have been issued by the Communication Authority are unconstitutional, to say the least, and the freedom of media is guaranteed in the Constitution.
Akenya makioneka gukorwo na maya makuga gwakinya ni gukinyanirio gwa kihoto kiao gia kumenyithio maundu.
Undu ucio ni vakwa ndingio support na ndingio support tondu twaikuo india moi na kandeka twaikuo india moi andu a mohoro matiave freedom iria agirite koguo tutiamenyaga uria Kenya irathii na mbere.
Kila kitu yote media inaoneshana ioneshane bila kuficha hata kitu hata kimoja, na hakuna kitu ya media kuoneshana nusu ati hii imeoneshwa hivi. Kama ni dhambi ionyeshwe dhambi, kama ni kitu kizuri kionyesho hiyo kitu kizuri. Ona kuri ugwa amu ya Kenya makagweta bata wa umemerekia uyu kwaga kwegemera mirurungano ya kiuteti na gukinyaniria o maundu maria makinyaniru kiwatho.
Raila na Ruto matwarana na kuguo ndu takumenya na kuguo no ndu mwega muno kokera kuretera na guku gwetu na guku memindiari tutakuigwa ndeto icio.
Itigarite o thiko ithatu tu mirurungano ecokererie guku muciini munene wa Nairobi na miciini ingi igitongorio ni ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja. Kiuria gia kana mirurungano eno ni konanio ceceni cia TV kiri kigeri-ini giki ari kimwe kia ihoto cia Kenya gigatiba. Ari ni Akameme TV kuma guku Nairobi ritora ko ni Bataru wa Mwangi.